All right, haven't taken this Bronco SXC30 out for a while. I do have the new aftermarket light kit in. Let's take it for a spin. I did add the new inserts by Endura, the silicone to the tires. See how well they do. I am running the Pro Line Baja tires. I do like these on Endura rims. I gotta add more rocks to this course in that middle. Make it a little harder. Oh, every truck can make this. I don't know if that was a bad steering by me or what. There we go. We're gonna go up and over. This truck does well. You can see the grip, getting more grip with the silicone tires, silicone inserts, I should say. Oh, that was a hard hit. Let's keep going though. Good landing. Bad driving. This is running the Endura motor and ESC combo. I got an Endura servo in here as well. A lot of aftermarket parts. You see about getting up for this. Nice work. We're gonna get into the mini mud pit. You can see the tires spinning. Need some more gas to get over them. We'll hit this nice ledge, purposely made by me to do this little thing. Hopefully we won't flip it. Up and over. Let's not get over those trees. Gonna back it up. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna flip it, but I did. All right. All right. We're gonna do some tunneling since we have awesome lights on this thing. I do have the bumper kit installed, so you can see the front and the rear bumper. I like it. Looks good. Go over the loose rocks. And into the tunnel. And we'll go over here. You can see the light coming. And there it comes. Shiny light bar. Taking on the loose dirt. We're gonna hit this nice gap right here. Up and over. It's a sweet little gap, guys. Watch it from the rear. Just get over that. Oh, what a look! What a nice crawl. What a good crawl. Oh. And then we're gonna go. Oh, let's not lose it. Uh-oh. Might lose it here. Nope. We got it. We're gonna try some more of the difficult stuff now. Oh! Whoop, my bad. Keeps falling on its good side though. We're gonna go through the gap right here. And we're gonna go up this. We're not gonna make it, but we're gonna go down. We're gonna go up this little steep section. See if it can get up it. Come on. Gotta get the traction. There we go. Oh, there we go. Up and over. And now we'll go on the bridge. Made this section again to show the articulation of these things. So right here. And then we're going to go down this steep section. Hopefully we can do it. Take two. Now let's see if we can get up this. Tough section for most of my cars that aren't fully modified. So let's see how we do. Nope. All right, one more try. Always like to do 2 tries. Got to get that left tire down if we want to get this. There we go. Some of that traction. Look at the tires just sink into the... Oh! Spoke too soon. All right, one more line to see what we can do. Shouldn't have any problems up this, but we do. So one more line. Oh, let's go through the mud pit. Yeah, see that? Full throttle mud pitting time. And then we're gonna go up this. Hopefully we don't flip it. And see if we can get up this. I highly doubt it. But we'll see. And crash, boom. Not 100% on this truck. It's a good trail truck though, so. But again, hope you like what you see, and thanks for watching. Feels like it's a